Okay, so we're inside the Pet Ranch store now, and part of the clinic where they sell some of their merchandise. And just taking a look here at what we got.
Sorry.
So general pet merchandise, pretty much. Basic, cover your basic needs. Leashes, collars, all kinds of stuff. So, dog food if you're in a pinch and you need some dog food, like right away. Yeah, like I said, we just started bringing our dog here, and they've been taking really good care of us. We're actually we're quite pleased with the attention that they've been giving our dog, and making sure that she has everything she needs to stay happy and healthy. So, yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just being a video geek. So, yeah, quite a bit of stuff here. I'm not exactly sure what we got down here. All kinds of different foods. There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, well that pretty much does it. Again, these people, they're very kind, they're very professional, very friendly. You know, don't hesitate to bring your pet here if you're watching this video. They do you good here. They take care of you. So, anyways, that's it for now.